Hello and everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm coming with a new video that is really very interesting, because in this video I'm just going to share to you is really important that we have to practice English language daily. Yeah, it's really very interesting to know for all the people who want to learn English language, like a beginner's one or the learner one who really want to improve their communication skills. It is really very important to know for them. So I hope you are doing great and learning English language in a great way. I'm also doing great, and by the grace of you and by the grace of the God, I'm also doing great and learning English language in a great way. Okay, so I can say every people have the influence, have the motivation to learn English language in a great way, and definitely I could say that they have the inner peace to know English language in a better way, because English is really very important nowadays. It has become a vital role in our life. Like if we want to survive, then there is needed to know the English language, because English plays an important role in nowadays. As I can say that for connecting with the peoples or anything whatever we want to do in nowadays, for that there is necessary to know English language. But definitely all the people, they don't get that much of the time to learn English language in a better way, as most of the people, they are the they have the lots of job work, or even though they have the office to go in the morning, and the student one, talking about the student, they have the school to go and have to manage all the things, like they have to do the homeworks, have to just go to the coaching, so they don't get the time, but they have the interest to know English language. So how they could manage all those things? Talking about me also, I'm a student of class 11th, and I'm learning English language since 2 to 3 years ago, and definitely I have to manage all those things. So you should have to think that even I'm a student, but I'm just getting I'm just giving my efforts to learn English language. So definitely you should also have not to be demotivated, because if I can do something, then why you can't do? Yeah, definitely you could do anything, whatever you want to do. For learning English language also, you could achieve a good improvement in yourself. So talking about most of the people, they have the question that is really important to practice daily. So I would like to in my opinion, I just think that definitely it's really very important to learn English language, to practice English language daily, because if we will have the practice daily, then then we could maintain our consistency, and if we will maintain our consistency, then definitely new things will helps to explore us, and definitely new things we can learn daily and can speak and practice with the whole. Yeah, you could give 15 to 20 minutes daily, but I'm just not suggesting to you. Most of the people, they just suggest that if you'll practice English language 5 to 6 hours daily, then you could just able to speak well English language. But I'm totally unagree with them, and I can see that if we'll practice English language by giving 50 to 20 minutes daily also, or if you will give just 30 minutes, like maximum time you should give 30 minutes, minimum you could give 15 to 20 minutes, it's enough. And definitely if you are also wasting your time by scrolling your reels or anything other works that you are spending on them, if you will just give the 30 minutes to learn English language, then just think, you could explore something new, you could learn something new. So like that also I have managed my time, and you should also have to manage your time, and you should have to give time daily. I am not saying that if you will not give time daily, then you will not able to achieve that success. Yeah, you could achieve that success, but it will take a lots of time, and you have to just explore things in very soon way and very easy way. That's why there is needed to learn English language and have to practice daily. So in my opinion, I just think that you should have to practice English language daily and be consistent towards your speaking English language, and definitely could achieve a good improvement in yourself. So thank you guys. I will meet in the next video, and in this video only I have just explained to you my experience of learning English language, and through my experience I'm just sharing to you, is practicing English language daily is important or not? Yeah, definitely it's important, and be consistent towards your goal, then definitely you could achieve your success in very easy way. So thank you guys.